So hey guys, this is Ravita. In this video, I'm going to share an amazing success story of attracting a specific person. And this story is about a girl, Victoria, and she writes, today I want to share with you how I attracted the love of my life back to me and how our relationship miraculously changed. We have fallen apart a while ago. He was acting very distant and he was the one who wanted to take a break from the relationship. At first, I was heartbroken and I thought that my life was completely over. I knew about the secret and I figured out that I was the one who attracted the breakup in the first place due to my fears and negative beliefs. So I decided to ask the universe to bring him back. I knew deep in my heart that he was my true love. I always had a very strong gut feeling that this was not over. I decided to follow my intuition and to put my trust in the universe and knowing that it would deliver whatever my heart desires. I first had to get rid of all my doubts and I knew that I had to trust in the universe no matter what my current circumstances looked like. First I hoped, then I believed, and lastly I knew that he was coming back. The moment then that I started to know without a doubt that he was mine, and when I finally decided to let go and trust that my desire was on its way, it came very fast. But it only came when I dropped all my resistance and truly let go of trying to control the outcome so much. I lived most of my days in full happiness. I had to stop relying on him for my well being. I took my power back. I regained my strength and joy. I made peace with the idea that even if he was not coming back, I would be okay, no matter what. And that's the key, guys, especially if you're trying to get a specific person back. You need to be happy without that person. You need to radiate that happiness into the universe. And when you do that, that person will show up again. And that is exactly what I did. And trust me, it works. I also lived in the end results. I lived in the wish fulfilled, as if my love already came back to me. It wasn't always easy, but I did not give up. Living in the end caused me to practice gratitude. I was giving thanks to the universe every day that we were back together. And being thankful and knowing that my desire is on its way is what made it happen. He eventually reached out to me when I least expected it. Now we are back together and our relationship is better than ever. He is the love of my life. I give thanks every single day that it worked. The secret really works, guys. Have faith in the universe. You just have to believe that nothing is impossible, no matter what happens. When you get yourself in that place of believing, nothing can stop your desire from coming. It is law. You could have, be, or do anything you want. So guys, I want to tell you something more about attracting a specific person, and I have read a lot of people asking if you can attract a specific person, or you need to have unwavering faith and trust in the universe or God. Well, this is all true. You need to have faith on the universe, but we think that by just visualizing the person we want, everything will happen suddenly, right? And yeah, sometimes it does. But let me tell you that what you need to do finally to attract that person that you want so badly is you need to let go. Yes, guys, you may think I am talking crazy stuff, but it's so necessary if you want to succeed. If we only think about wanting that person at this exit time and at this exit day, then it's like forcing things. You need to know that the other person has their will and desires too, and this is not about controlling anyone. So just stop worrying if you should do certain things to make that person look at you or fall for you. Stop the fear of not having them now. Do not focus on you not having them. Just keep telling yourself they will be in your life soon. Okay? This is very important, guys. You need to be happy so everything can work out perfectly. So just do your own thing. Be happy. Just be yourself. Trust in God and the universe. Let go and just concentrate on being happy and just enjoying your life. And I promise you that that person you want will be with you very soon. Don't let people make you doubt either, guys. Don't listen to anyone else's opinions. Only you and the universe know what you want and feel. So remember, guys, that if you fell for the person and it was for a reason, and if you feel deep in your heart that you are meant to be together, then just keep on trusting. Okay, let go, be happy, and what you want will happen in the most unexpected moment. So just keep going with your life, guys. Just keep going with this law, the law of attraction, the law of love, and just try to be happy in your life right now. Okay, and always know that universe always has your back.